Today I'm going to show you how to stretch images and videos in CapCut on PC, using a super simple method that works for both photos and clips. If you've ever wanted to make your media fill more of the screen, remove empty space, or just create a stronger zoomed-in look, this is the tutorial for you. And if this video helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your project in CapCut PC. If you already have a project started, just load it up. If not, create a new one and get everything ready. Once you're inside the editor, the next step is to add the image or video you want to stretch onto the timeline. You can do this by importing your file into CapCut and dragging it down into the timeline area. Make sure the media is placed on the track so you can edit it properly. Now that the clip is in the timeline, click on it to select it. This is important because CapCut needs to know which image or video you want to resize. When the clip is selected, look at the preview window. You should see corner handles appear around the media. These handles are what you'll use to enlarge the image or video. To stretch it, click and drag the corner handles outward. As you pull them, the clip will grow bigger in the preview window. This lets you make the image or video fill more of the screen and create that stretched look you're going for. If you want it even larger, keep dragging until it reaches the size you want. You can adjust it slowly so it fits your frame the way you like. If you're working with a video, be careful not to zoom in too far if you want to keep the quality looking clean. For images, this method is especially useful when you want to cover the entire canvas or remove black bars around the sides. If the clip still doesn't fit perfectly, you can reposition it slightly in the preview window after resizing. That way, you can center the important part of the image or video exactly where you want it. Once you're happy with the size and placement, you're done. That's how you stretch images and videos in CapCut PC in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.